that name you just call and use it built-in, like print function, type, id, those kind of function already Python already written those kind of function. You are call that function. How to call function name, user define also same. So function how to create, what is the syntax, what is the keyword, anyone tell me how to function create, which keyword?
Define.
Yes, perfect. Define. So what is the define? So define three, you can create function, correct? So function, just remember two types, that will be built-in function, another is user-defined function. So built-in function already told you, already Python already written those kind of function you are using, and user-defined our topic means as per your requirement will be create. So last class I have just function just told you how to, what is that means syntax and some parameter. So parameter, how many types already told you last class? Anyone tell me if you remember what is that? So first you remember default parameter. Then what is that? Argument. Okay. Then sorry,
Position.
default positional. Then keyword. Okay. Keyword parameter. Then after that argument. Four types. Okay. So what is that? Four types of parameter. You just remember always. Whenever kid, it's optional. Okay. So here I have mentioned this kind of, you remember. Whenever you have to create syntax, it's an optional parameter. Okay. You can directly, you can take in function name, suppose f1, inside some logic even pass, suppose print function or something. But whenever requirement is logic according to you want to create, so that time which parameter you need, you just decide it. Okay. So it's four types: default argument, positional argument, keyword argument, variable length argument. So last class I have completed in these two variables, two parameters. I hope you remember. So default argument means you understand. So default means suppose you will be not pass, so then default will be considered. So I'll be explaining you. You can see here. See, default parameter, last class already told you, I hope all you know. Okay, so function name I have given test. Okay, so colon will be n. So default, now I'll be simple syntax, print hello. Okay, inside this is the one kind of function. So I'm not passing anything parameter, nothing. So function how to call? Anyone tell me? Function name. Okay, test. So I am audible, all of you.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So Python. So file name, what is that? Font, that, correct. So now I am accessing that inside the function hello. Now you just understand it's a small kind of example hello. Suppose requirement is big, no need to again and again you have to write. Just you have to make it function. So now simple function. Now I will be creating in default. So now I am just passing in parameter a equal to 12. Okay. So now a equal to 12, I'm just here passing in, I'm just print, okay, then print a. This is default, then a. But okay, a whatever you will be passed, that will be print. Okay, then I'll call here. You can see default is 12. A is, suppose I am passing here in 300. Then what is the, sorry, 300. Then what is the answer? Anyone can tell me? What is the answer?
300.
Correct. It's the override. What is that? Suppose you will be not pass here means default already you have assigned, that will be considered. But you will be passing this function name, then it will be override default. Correct. So this is the default means function. So after that, I'll be here mentioning in argument means um, based on parameter, you should be pass the parameter, sorry, value through the function name. So I'm just here mentioning parameter B, C, okay, then D. Okay. So four parameter I'll be passing. You cannot assign starting in default. Okay. You can assign in after that. Okay. Suppose I'll be passing 12 here. Okay. Then 30. Okay. Here 18. Okay. In this. But here I'll be pass. Let's check. Okay. So it's possible once you are that side onward you will be assigned, then it's possible. Suppose I'm not assigning here, last onward, starting you cannot, it's possible, it's showing error. Okay, you just remember. Okay, default whenever only single, then you can assign in default. But 4 5 parameter is here means you can here onward you will be assigned. Suppose you will be not assigned these three, then you can assign in starting, then it will be showing error. So now, can anyone tell me what is the result? A, B, C, D. What is the result? Can anyone?
It's like 330, 89, 12.
Yes, correct. 330, 89, 12. All of you, I hope you understand. Tell me. I hope you understand. This is the argument parameter.
Yeah, yes.
Means this, sorry, this positional argument, correct? Default, how to, and positional, suppose I'm passing this parameter means you cannot blank it. Okay, suppose right now I'm remove here default. Okay, 12. Okay, suppose I'm here remove A. Okay, now what to do? I'm not passing. Okay, so what is the, it's showing error. What is that? You are assigning in positional parameter in 4, but you are not passing anything. Because you are 3, it's considered, it's a default, no issue. But one parameter is blank still. You should pass in at least 100. Okay, then it will be okay, fine. 100, 30, 89, 12. So in this way, you can create in function is a positional parameter. Correct. After that, what is that?
In this case, if I don't pass any argument, then it will be error, right?
Yes, definitely. Because here right now I'm assigning default value. Suppose I'll be remove it. Okay. Here default value I'll be remove. 1 minute. This is the 4 parameter. 4 parameter you have pass means here the function, here argument value, this parameter value A B C D, you will be pass definitely 4. You will be pass right now 100 means it's a showing error. You are missing B C D. Correct. You are only passing in 1. 3 are required positional argument, but you are passing in 1. Suppose you are mentioned default, then no need. Only 1 you will be passed, then okay. But your 4 means 4. Okay. Not less than 4, not greater than 4. Correct. Suppose I will be passing also here greater than 4 parameter. Suppose here parameter 4, but I am passing in 5. Then you can see here also some error. Take 4 positional argument, but you are given in 5. It's not possible. Okay. As for parameter, you can pass. Okay. So now I'm here printing. It's okay. Fine. No issue. But default you will be mentioned means default it will be uh, suppose default D will be assigned, then no need means 4 parameter. You can pass in 3. It's okay. No issue. Okay. So in this way you can.
Hello.
Hello, I'm audible.
Sir, yeah, sir, that means we can define that, give the assign the values above means after def test also and below after test also. What is the student now?
Means I didn't get means define
That
will.
there only, there also and below also what?
No, it's a only it's a printing. It's nothing is there. Here I'm just printing.
Like
Print.
how you first. Like how you first did, you assigned the value of B, C, D on the prior basis. Now you gave the value for B, C, D below in test also.
या करेक्ट मीन्स मेरा मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ समीक्षा क्वेश्चन हिंदी में बताओ और एक बार योर
We are not
वॉइस
able.
मीन्स योर यू कैन म्यूट इट योर सम नॉइज योर बैक साइड समीक्षा
या हाँ
हाँ
या
हाँ
या
बताओ
मतलब
हिंदी में मुझे
आपने ऊपर देखो
हम्म
डेफ टेस्ट के उधर आपने पहले वैल्यूज दिए था, देखो लास्ट टाइम।
हाँ लास्ट टाइम वैल्यूज दिए थे
हाँ,
करेक्ट
फिर अभी जब आपने कोड रन किया तब आपने ऊपर वैल्यूज नहीं दिए, आपने नीचे की तरफ वैल्यूज दिए।
यस ये वाला ठीक है हाँ
हाँ, तो ऐसे
हम्म
ऐसे कर सकते क्या, मतलब या तो ऊपर दो या फिर नीचे।
नहीं तुम कंसेप्ट नहीं समझ रहे हो पहले समझो मैं क्या बताया एक फंक्शन जो है एक पहले समझो ये इस तरह से मैं अभी प्रिंट कर ये एबीसीडी अभी नहीं है ना मैं इसको हटा देता हूँ इसको बस प्रिंट ये तो नॉर्मली प्रिंट तो कर सकते हैं ना दो प्रिंट प्रिंट जो है आपको तो पता है में सिंपल एक फंक्शन लिया फंक्शन का नेम कैसे फंक्शन क्रिएट किया जाता है यूजर डिफाइन डेफ कीवर्ड उसके बाद फंक्शन नेम कुछ भी दो
हाँ
मैं टेस्ट दिया हूँ आप कुछ भी दो आपके नाम से
हाँ हाँ
बनाओ समीक्षा मेरे नाम से मैं अरुण बनाऊंगा कुछ भी फंक्शन का नेम लेकिन
हाँ
इसका
हाँ
ब्लैंक लिया अभी पैरामीटर कुछ भी नहीं दिया अभी पैरामीटर में कुछ भी नहीं दिया लेकिन अभी पैरामीटर जब नहीं लिया यहाँ पे तो कुछ पास करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है ठीक है करेक्ट
हम्म।
फंक्शन जो ये जो फंक्शन आप क्रिएट किए ये फंक्शन को कॉल कैसे
हाँ
करोगे ये फंक्शन का नेम से ये नेम से मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ टेस्ट से आउटसाइड
हाँ हाँ
ये एक ब्लॉक है जहाँ से लॉजिक लिखना है फंक्शन का मीनिंग क्या है आपको बार बार नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा एक लॉजिक सपोज ये जो प्रिंट हेलो प्रिंट डिफॉल्ट मैं एक अगेन एंड अगेन नहीं लिखना चाहता हूँ एक फंक्शन क्रिएट करके इसके इनसाइड में डाल दिया उसको बस फंक्शन का नेम कॉल
हम्म।
करूंगा तो बस हेलो डिफॉल्ट आ जाएगा ठीक है तो अभी क्या है कि
अच्छा हाँ
ये वाला है डिफॉल्ट अभी क्या है कि सॉरी ये वाला है सिंटैक्स से विदाउट पैरामीटर अभी मैं पैरामीटर पास करूंगा
हम्म
सपोज मैं पैरामीटर पास किया ए सॉरी ए एंड बी टू पैरामीटर पास किया टू
हम्म।
पैरामीटर पास किया मींस टू वैल्यू यू शुड बी पास अदरवाइज इट्स शोइंग एरर मैं अभी 29 पास किया वैल्यू पैरामीटर अभी क्या करूंगा मैं अभी प्रिंट कर दूंगा ए बी ठीक है यहाँ पे प्रिंट किया वो वेरिएबल
तो जो
ठीक है
वैल्यू पास करना है वो कॉलिंग के वक्त असाइन करना है।
हाँ जो जो अभी जो कॉल कर रहे हो ये फंक्शन को तो पैरामीटर यहाँ पे पास किए हो तो ये दोनों को आपको देना चाहिए ना कुछ
हाँ
वैल्यू ये मीन्स पैरामीटर
हाँ
है
हाँ
ए बी वैल्यू असाइन किए ये फंक्शन को मीन्स ये आपको यहाँ से पास करना है ठीक है मैं दो दो वैल्यू अभी
अच्छा
पास दो पैरामीटर असाइन किया मीन्स दो वैल्यू पास किया ठीक है अभी देखो
हाँ
ये
हाँ
29 आ गया डिफॉल्ट ये तो बाई स्टैटिक ये वाला है हो गया वेरिएबल को हम प्रिंट कर रहे हो यहाँ पे सपोज मैं सम करूंगा सी सी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी ठीक है ये है मेरा लॉजिक इसको क्या करूंगा यहाँ पे प्रिंट कर दूंगा सी ठीक है
हाँ हाँ
सी तो अभी क्या समझे यहाँ पे टू पैरामीटर मीन्स टू वैल्यू सपोज यहाँ पे मैं अभी ले लूंगा सी थ्री पैरामीटर अभी है बट पास कर रहे हो कितना सॉरी डी
दो।
ले लूंगा डी ले लेता हूँ क्योंकि सी यहाँ पे लिया हूँ वेरिएबल यहाँ पे प्लस करता हूँ डी ठीक है तो अभी क्या है कि देखो मैं अभी टू पास किया हूँ लेकिन थ्री पैरामीटर है अभी क्या एरर आएगा देखो ये एरर आ रहा है वन इज रिक्वायर्ड
हम्म।
d value you are not passing only two so suppose d I am assigning in default means here whenever I passing the parameter that time onward assign but here I am not passing okay so then what will be happen then it's okay fine no issue it will be run it will be add
हम्म।
10 and a b 29 then 10 it will be taking default value suppose default you will be assigning after that you will be passing also data means again passing 70 so then what will be happen it will be override this default value मैं अभी पास किया क्या मैं अभी पास कर रहा हूँ 70 अभी रिजल्ट देखो अलग सा आएगा 81 आ रहा है करेक्ट या नॉट
हम्म।
आप अभी समझ में आया क्या डाउट है
हाँ हाँ,
ठीक है
नहीं हो गए।
तो ये जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूजर डिफाइंड जो यू हैव टू व्हेनेवर यू हैव टू क्रिएट इन फंक्शन ओके user defined function parameter you just remember four types of parameter here default argument positional argument. Then positional argument means whatever parameter you should pass here. Sorry, you have passed, then you should pass this value here. Okay, so this is the positional. Then keyword argument is coming right now. Keyword argument, you know na, key and value. Already told you, dictionary, dict data type. All of you know. Okay, what is that? Dict data type. Key and value already told you last class. Okay, so now I'll be taking define. Now simple. Okay, sample. This is my function. Okay, so now I'll take key and value pair. Okay, suppose I'll be taking name parameter, then age. Okay, this is the parameter I'll be take. Okay, after that, what to do? Whatever value will be passed in this function, I just print. Then what? Now how to print? Then for I'm just k and v in what is that? Name and age. What is that? Name and Vijay. Anything?
Oh, nothing. I was just saying that name and age has to come right there for KV in name age.
Yes, it's a key and value. I'm trying to once name and this age keyword. I want to read. Okay, then items. Suppose E and V are what? Okay. No. What to do here?
You should define for dictionary, right? First, you should declare the dictionary, right?
No need. 1 minute. I'll be last class. I'll be do lambda. So how to read that data? Okay. So suppose okay, no, suppose no. Okay. So that's different. Okay. Um, yeah. I'll check. Let's see. For here, I want to read the data. Means suppose. Let's see. I'm just direct print. Okay. Then after that, argument star argument I'll be passed. Then that time I'll be explaining. Okay. 1 minute. You can say see here the person name. Okay. I'm just mention here person name. Okay. Then here assigning name. Okay. So now I'll be here person age. Okay. Person age. Person age variable. Okay. So now see here function name is sample. Correct. Sample I'm here passing name equal to Ravi. Suppose Ravi, the is equal to 30. Correct. So now you can see the result. Okay. So it's a key
Why
and
you are passing the age as a string?
age at
You can. Why you are passing age as a string? You can pass as a number 30, right? Why you are including in the quotes?
here no. Here I'll be passing.
No. Yeah. Oh, why you are putting 30 in the quotes? You can remove,
Because
right?
we can remove also, no problem. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. I didn't check. Okay. So you can see here Ravi and 30 is coming. I'm passing in key and value. Okay. So now it's a key, sorry, parameter is 2. Two parameter you are passing in 2. Suppose now I'm again passing in some parameter is again, okay. So 8, 9. So it's not allowed. It's a showing error, okay. So it's a key and parameter. You can like that, you can take it, okay. So key and value, but this key and value, suppose you are assigning in this way. So only this parameter, two parameter, two key and value, then you can pass in two. But thing is that I want to in pass in multiple, no need to again and again. Suppose two parameter here pass, two value here I'm assigning. So suppose you can just imagine like that hundreds of parameter I want to pass. So then you can write, then you can pass. It's a means lengthy process. So you can write, okay. So this scenario it will be avoid the function. You will be right, then comes in it comes in another parameter. What is that? Variable length argument. So what is that? Variable length argument, okay. So variable length argument, so it's a two types. First of all, you understand two types. What is that? Star, okay, sorry, star. Star means argument, okay. Another is hash, double star. Double star, or, okay. So just try to understand argument and co-argument. Correct. So normally you will be before that what? This is the key and the value. Okay, I'm passing. Previously what? Ravi and 30 I'll be passed. That is the normal. Previously I'm passing. That is the normal. Suppose name is Ravi and 30. Now I'm passing in key and value name. Okay, but this thing will be two. I am right now I'm passing this parameter, but multiple 100 times parameter I will pass. That scenario you can use in star argument, particular regarding single, and key value regarding double star. So now you will see the example. Define this is the star, single star, okay, single star, okay. This is my function, okay. You just remember. So now, previously what? I'm as passing here A, B, C, D, like that. Four parameter means four that function name through I'll be passing in four data. Okay, four parameter. Okay. So value, parameter value. Now I'm here mentioning only star ERG argument. Then what to do? No problem. You can any time of value you can pass it, okay. So then return, I'm returning, okay. Return sum of argument, suppose org, okay. This is the argument. Argument, this is that argument name. The star is mandatory. ERG, you can name your name also, no problem, okay. I'm just here now. You can see this is the function name. Now see the difference, okay. So now I'm passing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, whatever, okay. You can pass, okay, number 90. No need, no difference. Previously what? 4 parameter means 4, not less than, not more than parameter. But once you have to assign in star argument, it's a variable length, it's two types, one star, one double star. Star means you can pass in multiple, then sum it, okay, whatever data, okay. Then print, okay. So because I'm here returning that sum, now you can print here. What to do? Print see 246 is coming now. Now I'm passing whatever you want to pass at a time, means no problem. You once mention in star. Any doubt? I'm just this argument. Star is compulsory argument. Here I'm passing in data. No problem. You can here I'm sum is data. Okay. So you
If
can
I want
see
to print it, if I want to print the arguments in the function,
if I print the argument in function.
hmm,
Uh, Function means this inside the print, only print.
Instead of sum, I wanted to do print.
But okay, so let's say check, because here multiple data is coming na. So data, okay, let's see, check. It's a song, then data, whatever data, that will be print. You can see all data you are passing here na. So I hope you understand any doubt. Now I'm passing
If
this
if I want to print, if I want to print any one variable like data of 0, I can give. Can you just give in the print data of 0 or data of 1?
Okay, let's see. Check. Because 2 I'll be print. Okay, position. Three.
Okay, perfect.
Got it, na? Any doubt?
Yeah. Yes.
Sindhu
Basically,
madam?
it's a array of arguments. Basically.
Yes, correct. Yeah. It's just imagine array of means bunch of data at a time you can pass, star will be managed. Previously what? Positional means position, however you have to pass here, 4 means 4 parameter, not less than, not more than. But once star assign means whatever data you will be pass, no problem. Star will be considered. Then once data here will be coming, then as per your logic, I'm just logic put in some, yeah, print that position, particular 3 position. Got it? Yeah, any doubt? Sindhu madam, I'm audible.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you
yes.
are audible. Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you understand this thing. Yeah,
Yeah,
any doubt?
yeah, I understood this one.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now you just see single star, you understand, correct? Now variable length, I'm already told you, so 2 types. What is that? Variable length of argument. Just remember default argument, positional argument, keyword, and then it's a variable. Keyword argument, now you are passing no keyword value. Okay, but right now keyword value I'll be passed. You can see it's a keyword star. Okay, and the function name anything you can take it. Keyword star. Okay, instead of double star I'll take it. Okay, function name. Okay. So now what to do? I'm here mention double star core. Core. Right. I'm just taking in this name. Okay. So no problem. You can take it your name, but double star is mandatory. Okay. After that, you can take your this variable means this parameter name anything. Then you can use it. So now what to do? Who are what to do? Double star. I'm right now how to read the data. 1 minute. So you can see here. To see coarg means here I'm taking coarg here coarg. So now I'm just putting item already told you. All of you know. Yeah, forget it. Item what to do? Dictionary one of the method I already told you. Items. Anyone remember? Item what to do? Can you tell me anyone? Item means first of all dictionary how to represent. Anyone tell me?
Like key value pair.
Key and value pair. Now, key and normally data is available, then follow through read. Okay, but item is one of the method. Both key and value data will be represent. Correct. Only key you need, only value need. Then get through. You can read in that key value will be passed. Then value you can get. Only all that dictionary key need. Then you can pass in keys. Only values, then values. So I need right now key as values. All this data will be passed right now. Here you can see I'm passing in name equal to suppose Arun. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So then b equal to 56. Okay. So now I'm passing in, suppose normal data I'll be passed. Then you can see it's showing in error. Not only key and value it will be allowed. Okay. So now I'll be passing in suppose hello equal to 900. Okay. See data I'm whatever you can pass. Okay, no problem. Okay. C equal to multiple data. Okay, no problem. G equal to 500. Okay, so those kind of data I'm passing, but here double star once assigned means it will be allowed multiple data. Okay, array type of no need. You can assign in positional here two parameter here. Suppose I'm passing key and value. How many type? It means one, two, three, four, five. Five you should be, suppose double star you will be not here assigned, then you can five keyword and means parameter will be passing. Okay, five. But I don't want to five. Yeah, maybe more than I'll be pass here. I don't know. Just mention in double star that will be allowed in key value. Uh, Only here allowed in key value. We can see I'm passing only normal data parameter. It's not allowed. But single star it will be allowed. Okay. See. Any doubt?
So just one doubt. So we given the in the function we given the option for print k, and we like the line number 66. So it won't print in the output.
Yes, only print in because you are reading the data, because you are here data will be passed in key and value. So follow through first you have to this variable key and B. You can name in anything, not in key and suppose A and B I'll be take, but key and value. That's the reason you just pass in this variable. Then here I am mentioning A and B. Okay, A and B. Just that data will be read. That's data. Okay. So then data is like this variable represent in key, this variable is represent in value. Just middle of static, I'm just mentioning equal to. That's it. That will be by default. It should become remaining is dynamically here and co-arg this variable. Then items already told you dictionary data types. Items what to
Yeah.
do? That only represent in key and value pairs. So that
Okay.
pair will be read the data through for loop. This variable will be store key and value. Then I'm just printing. Correct.
Okay.
Only I need in keys. Then what to do? Keys. Let's see. Check. Keys only na. Unpack too many values.
Maybe just two print A, B.
No, actually you have to unpack so many data is there na inside. Okay, let's see. Later I'll be told you, but how to key through. You can read the suppose multiple data is available. The single data then keys through. It's okay, but you are reading that time how to unpack pack. Okay, that one topic I'll be told you. The dictionary regarding. So now keys means all keys means name, B, hello, and C, G. Those things. Values means
Yeah.
all values. Okay, so how to pack unpack I'll told you. Okay, one class I'll be told you, so that concept then you will be understand. Okay, so in this item means it will be read the whole key and value pair. Correct. So in this way it's a double star you can use. So any question? Say.
No, sir.
I hope you understand. One question I'll be give you right now, you can try to solve it. Suppose I'll be take it to define taste. Okay, one function name. So now I'm passing here parameter A equal to, sorry, A first I will take B equal to 10, C, then D equal to 70. Okay. Then I have to do, I'm taking in parameter in single star. Okay. Star argument. Then I'll take in double star over. This is the parameter 4 type. All types of parameter I am passing still. Okay. So now I'm print. Why is showing error? And let's see. A, okay. Then another one is C equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. So now why is it not? A, B, C, D already take it now. Here I'm taking in E. Okay. C value I'm passing again. C equal to here I'm passing C. Okay. A, C here, B I am assigning default, D assigning is 70. Now printing A and C and D. Okay, correct. Then I'm here close it, then print E. Okay, E. Then I'm here print also argument of arc. Okay, then print now I'm passing this test data here. 4, 5, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm passing in A equal to 10, B equal to 40, then C equal to 50. So what is the result? Can you tell me? I need answer. Is the bill. Suppose I'll be print, I'll be access. Then what is the result? Anyone try to solve?
Like it will print A as a 10, C is 50, and then D. D is 70. So first output is like 10, 50, and 70. First line.
Okay.
And second line is, maybe you can comment, right? 73, 74, 75, 76. You comment. We'll run one after the other and see the guess is correct or not. You can comment 73, 74. Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay. Now, yeah. ACD.
But multiple value, I think.
48.
A, C, D. I'm here passing
No, A you have to put. I think A it is assumed as the number first one and
Yes.
oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, now it should.
No.
Yeah, one.
G I'll be taking. Let's check.
B. B also is the same issue, right? B and C is also same problem.
Okay. Yeah. H I'll be take. I'll be taking K. Correct. So in this variable is different. Okay. So you can see
Yeah.
1, 2, 4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 4. It will be reserved. Okay. Result. This one A, C, D. E, C,
Yeah.
D, 1, 2, 4. Why?
Yeah, like position. First one is A and
Because you just imagine A, C means it will be reserved in 1, 2. 3 means here will be goes 30 is here, but it will be considered in this one. But I'm not printing. I suppose print here, then you will be understand what is that B. Correct. So then you can see. Let's see. All are, I hope you understand. D means 70. Then here I'll be passing means it will be, here will be, it will be P. Okay, correct. So now question is come. Now I am printing here. You can see. So what is the result? Can you tell me? Now A, C, D, B, it will be reserved. Okay. After that, what data is available? 4 is minus. Okay. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then what is the result? Vijay? Vijay audible?
yeah. A is 1 and B is 30
Okay.
and C is 2 and D is 70. So
Then
1, 2, 30, 70. So 1 or 3?
let's see check.
Oh,
Is
1
it
or 10?
10 only.
A,
Why?
okay.
Why is coming?
A is 1. B is B is
So just have a doubt.
Sir,
just
it
have
is it overwriting that?
yes.
Yes,
So
yes, overwriting. Because,
um,
yeah, tell me.
so yeah, like so when you tell me like the previous examples when we override, like when we use the test function, if we give the same variables instead of j, h, k, why we are not allowed to give a, b, c actually? Because in the previous example you told we can write the same way like the variables and it will override, but here why it's not allowed?
Here I am passing in key and value. Okay. Previously, I am just only
no,
passing in this
here
parameter.
also it
Yeah.
will allow if you put in the first Arun, you put A is equal to 1 first in line number 78.
Okay.
Line number 78. 78.
Okay. Print.
Line number 7. No, line number 79 now. No, remove line number 79.
Okay.
Yeah, come to the first, you put A is equal to 1. Yeah, A is equal to 1. Yeah, B is equal, yeah. Now I think it answered Praveen, right? That's what your question, right?
Yeah, we can put the same variable.
Yeah, you can do that. But previously we are putting that A is equal to 1 in the end. So that's where it got confused. If you put in the right place, it will work. If this will fail, I think. This will compilation error.
50 and 30. Suppose I'll be taking.
Yeah, this will compilation error, I believe. Yeah, run it. Yeah. That A is called 50, B is called 30. You put in the first, then it will work.
A and C. I'll be put. Then let's check.
Still fail.
Okay, basically we need to put in the correct position then.
The correct position.
Yes, already told you na. So this is the still I am not assigning any parameter. Means value, default value. Here I am assigning in value in 30 and 70. Here what will be happen? First 4 letter it will be reserved. This 4 A B C D. Okay. The remaining the whatever that positional argument that will be goes in here. Then remaining key and value here all are goes in core key and value. Okay, let's see A, B, C. I'll be remove. What is the answer? Let's check those all. Just try to understand this thing. Any doubt? Just logically you just enter. Okay, this program. Then you will understand all clarification will becomes whatever 4 types of parameter. You just see. I'm just here mention. Default is here is suppose 4 parameter normal parameter I have take. Okay, this is the normal parameter A, C, B, D. Here default I have assigning these 2 variables, means 2 parameters, not variables, 2 parameters B and D, 30 and 70. Suppose here I'll be not pass. Okay, let's see. I'm suppose passing in this data will be removed. Okay, only 3. Then 1 is not passing now because 4 parameter here assigning, but 1 is not passing. Okay, that what will be it will be happen, it will consider 1 default is here now. So you can see it will be considered like that. I hope you understand. Suppose here I'll be pass multiple data. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so like that, then what to do? 4 data that will be considered first. It will be overriding. Yes. Now we can
Yeah,
yeah,
Arun, can you go back to that previous whatever you said? Just put 1, 2, 3, only 4 arguments. 1, 2, 3, 4 only in the test line number 79, right?
79.
Just put 1, 2, 3. Line
Yeah.
number 1, 2, 3, 4. Only put 1, 2, 3, 4 there.
1, 2, 3, 4. Correct.
Okay. In line number 72, just put in the order, just print in the order A, B, C, D. Or okay, that's fine. Okay. Now can you run it?
A, B, C,
Yeah, just
D.
okay. Even in test also, just put in the same order. No, that will be easy. C, you move to the after B.
A, B, C, D. Okay.
Okay.
A,
Now
then
let's run.
okay. Let's I'll be.
Oh, that's okay. That doesn't matter. Okay, just run it.
You can see.
Okay. Now, okay. My question is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is assigned to ABCD. Okay. J10, H40, and K50 is assigned to star K arc.
Okay.
But star arc, we are not passing anything. Then it should give a compilation error, right? Because we are not giving any argument for the star arc.
No, star arc not passing means they are returning 0. Okay, they are returning 0. They are not finding only 0. They are returning some. Suppose you will be pass here 4. First it should be reserved 4 parameters.
Yeah, understand.
Then you will be pass right now 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9.
Okay.
Then what will be happen after reserve these 4 parameter? Then all are going in this star. Correct.
Okay. So can you remove the dictionary items? Yeah, run this. Yeah.
1 minute.
Can you remove the Can you remove the key pair arguments? It will give again 0, right?
See here. Blank. Okay. I'm printing now this code.
Print E10.
I'm just passing in this data. I'm not key and value I'm passing. Okay. But here returning printing na. Try to understand.
Yeah, I just have a doubt in that output. What's showing print E? What's the output for print E in this
print E?
10.
You just see 10. This one.
That's a sum, right?
Yeah, that's
the sum of
A, B, C, D. All are. Okay. Here printing in all. After that, all sums. Directly I'll print. Okay, so logical. Then here I'm printing in some argument. I'm here passing star argument means after reserve this key means parameter A, B, C, D, remaining whatever that goes to this parameter star. Whatever you will be passed here, that will be reserved here. Then key value will be passed. Then here it will be go. Suppose I'll be passing key value here means H equal to 67, then J equal to 90. So like that, two value I am passing means that consider as a key and value parameter. You can see it will becomes in this. Yeah, any doubt?
In Argo, I can send the string also, right? Instead of
Yes.
7, I can say
Yes.
something.
Yes.
Not
You
here,
can.
in the 7, number 7.
Number 7 here.
Yeah, whatever. There you put a string, something.
Hello.
Yeah, because the integer that sum is failing now.
Yeah, I'm here
Line number
returning
7.
some. Now I'm suppose here.
Comment that.
Some.
Yeah.
Then I'm just print. Okay. Print the R. Okay. Yeah, correct. Let's see, check. Yeah, it's coming. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Doubt, I think, who is the name? Mundana, I think you have doubt. Hello. So, any doubt, anybody?
Sir, that K argument, like only for the key values we will get on result, or
Yes, correct. Only that will be considered key value, not in normal data. I am passing here normal data like that. Character maybe number, yeah, integer, whatever, float, that will be considered in those and those. Once you have to assign means A, B, C, D parameter, first it will be resolved in this parameter. And single star means this value will be goes, remaining data will be goes here. Okay. Then after that, it will be go in key and value I am passing here.
so for ABCD it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and for E value it is 10.
Yeah,
And then
one E value
and
means I am just assigning this,
yeah.
doing here some logic. I'm plus it, then print it. Okay. After that, this data will be goes in this one. Okay. After reserving 4 data here, 4 parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and hello is goes to here. You can see I'm passing up to 6. Sorry, 6 and hello. Then 8, 9 it will be print here. You can see.
Okay.
Then another printing is I'm here core. Core means key and value pair. Those data is printing in.
Okay.
Any doubt? Vijay, I hope you understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
So another name is I'm not from means what is the Francie? Your name
No, my name is Praveen.
Praveen. Okay. So your name is
Yeah.
coming here some kind of okay
Yeah,
Praveen.
that's my yeah.
Okay, Praveen, you understand? No? Yeah, any doubt?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I
so
understand.
up to that is means in this way. First of all, you have to remember 4 parameters. So what is that? Normally is default, then positional. Positional means whatever, suppose 4 parameter means 4 parameter value you should pass by default, not less than, not greater than. This is the positional. After that, this positional argument, suppose you will be passed in 4 parameter means 4 data will be passed here, but you don't want to write like that A, B, C, D, like I need to take in multiple types of means bunch of data parameter. Then that scenario you can use in star. That is the simple thing. Star you have to mention means no need to assign A, B, C, D. Just here will be pass those kind of data. मेरा कहने का मतलब समझ में, ये स्टार मींस आपको अलाउ करेगा जो भी डेटा है सिंगल डाटा यू कैन पास हियर, जितना भी हो सका आर ए टाइप। और डबल स्टार मींस जितना भी हो सका है मींस ओ आर की एंड वैल्यू आप पास करना है, जितना भी हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। लेकिन आप यहाँ पे मेंशन करोगे कि सपोज नेम जितना जितना मेंशन करोगे, तो प्रीवियसली क्या ए में असाइन करूंगा सपोज कुछ वैल्यू, बी असाइन करूंगा कुछ वैल्यू, तो फिर वो की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पास करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना। तो जो दो असाइन किए मीन्स दो ही तुमको पास करना है, लेकिन यहाँ पे डबल स्टार में असाइन कर दिया मीन्स जितना भी की वैल्यू में ले सकता हूँ, मल्टीपल्स डबल स्टार, ये समझ के चलो 4 पैरामीटर। ओके ठीक है।
One question. When you
Yes.
assign in test, right? In test function, in line number 80.
Line number 80. Okay. Tell me.
Yeah, it's just in the one you have, right? There you put a d is equal to 1. Instead of a is 1, d is equal to 1. Yeah, then c is equal to 2. Yeah, b is equal to 3. Something. Yeah, a is equal to some 4. A is equal to 4. Yeah. Comma. Yeah, run it. Okay.
That is showing error. You cannot assign in that side. Okay, you can this thing. I'll copy. I'll assign here. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine. Same thing.
Okay.
Same thing. I'm assigning in here. Okay, let's see. Check.
Okay. It's taking
Multiple.
first four is always assigning for the ABCD.
Yes, they are assigning the first data in those. Okay, then okay.
Okay, remove that. Okay.
C, I'll remove. C already reserved now here. You understand? Na? Here I'll be assigned the default, but here you can pass. That will be first consider here 4 parameter. Then after that it goes in the star, then double star key value. Here suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 means remaining data. It means it goes to in star, single star. Correct.
No, so one doubt, like we cannot override in this function, like just like the previous examples, instead of test ABC, when we write in the 18th line, if we
Yes,
give different values for,
yes,
yeah,
you can
like,
do it. You can see here. Suppose I am taking right now. Suppose here is A value. I'll be taking B value 34. Okay. Let's see. Check. Default I am here assigning 40. Correct. Here assigning C equal to 10. Okay. Now I am passing here 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be goes first where A, B, C, D.
ABCD. Okay.
Then 6 hello. It will be goes in this star. Then
Yeah.
this will be goes in double star. So now result you can check. It will be override because here I am assigning in 10, 40, but it will be considered 3 and 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I am not passing here, you can see 4, 6 only pass. Okay, 4, 6 and hello. Because string here not supported, na I'm string remove it. Okay, 4, 6, 7 and 9. Correct. This 4 data I am passing. It will be comes and it will be here. Suppose here I am removing this 4, 6. Okay, only 4, 6. Correct. So then 4, 6, what will be happen? It will be reserved first A and B. Then C and D it will be calculated. But you can see 60 is coming, 40 and the 10 will be considered. I'm passing in two data. Here is 4 parameter. I'm here assigning in default is 10, 40. Remaining 2 is pending. But after that it will be reserved. After that nothing is data is available. Na? I'm passing here parameter. So that's the reason I'm printing in argument is 0. It's blank.
Yeah.
And remaining is goes to key and value parameter. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, let's say you can okay. So let's we start in local and global variable how to use in function. Then go for the lambda function. Okay, lambda function I'll be finished. Then go for the next class will be class. Okay. class concept, groups concept, otherwise module, yeah, package I'll be teach. Okay, before that class. So first of all, I'll be taking 2 minutes break. Okay, then local variable, global variable, how to use in this function. I'll told you. Means teach you. Then go for the next class is the file handling. Sorry, not file handling. How to package create, how to module create in Python. Okay, so that class I'll be taking next. But before that, I'll be completing Lambda function. It's an anonymous function. So just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll be taking 2 minutes break. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. Hello, I'm not able.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's see. Start in how to start in means how to use in local and global variable in function. Okay, that will be understand. Then I'll go for lambda function. Okay, so suppose you can see define. I'll be global and suppose I'm assigning in a suppose value here is 12. Correct. So now define. Suppose if is function name. Correct. Now I am trying to print. Okay, print a, then it will be print, okay, outside the function. So same this global variable define func2, okay, func2 and here print b, correct, b. So then I am just trying to access f1 and f2. So no problem, globally you have to declare that variable means any kind of that particular means project. Okay, so you should multiple function, you just declare in global mean you can access. Okay, no problem, you can see here. So one the print b, okay, a, it's not allowed. Okay, see, I'm accessing in two function. This is the one of the function. This is another function. F1 is one function, another is F2 function. I'm accessing here this a value here also, here also. I'm calling in two function F1 and F2. This is the global. Okay. Suppose right now I'm assigning in a equal to 60 here. So now I'm trying to here trying to print a now I'll be print, you can see the result, it's a 60 because first it will be considered in local, because local variable how to assign particular that function inside, correct, inside I am assigning in 60, but same 60 I am trying to here a in another function, it's not allowed. Okay, just differentiate, you understand here a12 here is assigned, but a same I'm assigning in this function inside, but I'm trying to same in a here this 60, it's not allowed, it's only considering global. That's the difference. You just remember globally you have to declare means you can access in anywhere, no problem, but you will be accessing that particular that inside the function, then you can um, inside the function only that particular function, not in outside. Correct. Yeah, any doubt, tell me.
So if we give a is equal to 40 inside F2, then it will print 60 and 40 only, right?
No,
A is equal to,
suppose I'll be give here 40, correct, so only
yeah,
consider is 60 and 40 inside first local, then it will be
yeah,
global, you can see here 60 40, you cannot access means you cannot access another function inside the variables. It's a global variable, you can access multiple, suppose here one function, another function f2 and another function f3, you can access in this data, but you cannot access in inside this variable, you can
yeah,
assign
yeah.
in
That's what
this.
I'm. Yeah,
Okay, got it point.
yeah.
Means globally you have to declare means you can access in anywhere, but once locally you have to declare only that particular value, you can particular that function you have to access, not in another function. Correct. This is the local and
Mm.
global variable. Okay. After that, one topic is coming. What is that? Lambda. So lambda is very important. So what is that? It's the anonymous function. What is that? It's a itself, it's a function. Function how to create? Def through, you have to create def function name. Then what is that syntax? Already told you, parenthesis, then colon. Okay, so it will be created in define the function. Okay, but you want to create in function same using in lambda function. Lambda function, it's a kind of itself, it's an anonymous function, correct? So another name is lambda function is anonymous function. Sometimes we can declare the function without name, define how to define function name, but here you can use in lambda itself, it's a function, no need to assign any name, function name. Define means function name, but lambda no need to function name. Such type of nameless function is called an anonymous function using lambda function. The main purpose of anonymous function, just instant use, means it's a one line code, instant use, correct? So what is the syntax? This is the syntax, correct? So just try to understand, this is the syntax, lambda, argument list, and expression. Correct. This is the syntax. You just remember lambda, argument list, and expression. I'll be go for the practically. You will be understand. First of all, you just try to understand note. By using the lambda function, we can write very concise code and readability. The program will be improved because it's a short code, means it will be improved. Okay, one line it's possible in lambda. So now question is coming. So normally lambda, I am using one example. I'll be given you how to multiply the particular function. I'll be write. Okay, pass that value, then multiply. Then same thing I'll be doing using in lambda. Correct. I'll be pass suppose 4, then multiply it. Okay, 4 into 4, whatever. So now we can see here. Normally I'll be write here if suppose multiple one function name. So now I'm here passing a. Okay, a. Now here I'm creating c equal to a into a. Correct. So then I'm print c. So this is the my function. Okay. So now I will call multiple. Then I'm passing in 3. Then what will be happen? So 9 is coming. Correct. So normal, already told you this how to create in define using the function. So same thing I'll be doing lambda function. What is that? It's a one line code. You can see here as per syntax here. As per syntax, here this is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. Lambda is a keyword. Sorry, it's an anonymous function. Itself, it's a function. Okay, so no need to assign in function name. So now you can see it's a one line code. Okay, so you can see is equal to lambda. Here I am passing argument list. Okay, n argument right now need in only one. Whenever need in multiple, then you can pass in x, y, z like that. Okay, but here only I need in multiplication. So just here I'm passing in this variable, then print s. Okay, I'm passing here 4. You can see same thing is happening here. Here is 4 lines I will write. Here is 1 line. Just print it. That's it. Any doubt? Lambda function.
So basically, we instead of multiple lines, in order to like put it in shorter form, we just use the lambda function, right?
Yeah, correct.
Mainly.
Suppose here mainly it will be, it's a syntax. Try to understand lambda itself. It's whatever it's working in normal function. Define multiple. So same thing here also working. Lambda itself, it's a means anonymous function. Okay, it's a function name. Okay, so you can see right now I'm taking in one. So just for one delivery system. Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Hello, hello.
Hello, sorry to. Okay, so one call is coming. Okay, okay. So see, normally I have written this thing. Suppose normally I want to add something, those kind of function. You can see here. I'll be suppose taking add function create. Okay, you can take normal like that get through. You can I'm passing in here parameter is a and b. Parameter I'm just here c equal to a plus b. Then return. Okay, return is optional. Okay, as per your requirement, you can return C. I'm returning C. Then I'm passing here add print because returning means not printing still. Okay, print. Then add. I'm passing here 3 and 4. Correct. So now I'm commenting this thing. Okay, so now I'm running. Seven is coming. Correct. So same thing I'll be do in lab. Correct. So as per expression here, I'm taking in is equal to lambda. What is the keyword? This is the keyword lambda. Okay. Then I'm passing in argument a and b. Correct. Then expression. Expression what? My requirement is plus operator a plus b. Then I'm passing here print is what is the data? Sorry, a plus b print is equal to pass 3 and 3 and 4. Correct. So I am doing in same this add functionality using like that. But right now same thing I am doing in one line. Okay, you can see here 7 is coming. Yeah, no. Yeah, any doubt?
Yes, understand.
Vijay sir, you understand? Praveen, you understand? Normally
Yeah.
I have taken simple add function regarding this 4 line I have created. Okay, I'm calling this function. But same thing, I'm not creating any function name here. It definitely have to create its own mandatory function name. But here itself it's a function name. Lambda. It's an anonymous function. You can same operation you can do in one line. But here is question is that here you can using in for loop and if condition, but here it's not possible. I'll be try suppose if and condition it's not possible. Okay, for loop if and condition it's not possible. Then how to do it? So those regarding Python has given. So what is that? Uh, 3 function will be given. So what is that 3 function? Lambda regarding filter, map, and reduce. What is that? Filter, map, and reduce. Filter what to do? Like that for loop. Okay. You said if condition. Map will be do like that for loop. Okay. So reduce will be mathematical operation will be do. Okay. So try to understand filter. Filter you can see I'm just I want to like that simple example here, even odd. Okay, this is the function. Okay, try to see here. See here, I'm just passing some data. This is even through some data. Then it will be return. It's a odd, yeah, even. Okay. False. It will be written in false. Okay. It's a I'm passing in 5. It's a I'm checking is even, yeah, odd. Okay. Suppose I'll be pass. It's a odd, yeah, even. It will be true, yeah, false. It's a true. Correct. This logic. Okay. Same thing I want to implement it in the data of using in lambda. Okay. So suppose here list of data. Okay. List of data I'll be take. Okay. So let's see. Same thing I'll be trying lambda. Okay, let's see. Is equal to lambda. Is equal to, then I'm trying to filter out this condition, if condition. If condition, I'm trying to suppose x here a percentage 2 equal to 0. Okay, then it will be showing. Okay, I'm trying to this logic. Okay, then 3. Yes, I'm passing in 5. Okay, you can do it. If condition, sorry, here if condition I'm not putting. Na, here just operator I'm using. Okay, not using in if condition. Correct. So true and false it's coming, but how to data will be read. Okay, but here is argument and here is expression. But I want to read this data, list of data. Then that scenario, how to read the data? Then I want to suppose filter out only event data. Multiply 2, then return that event data, this list of data. Then how to do it? Here is for loop is not working. Okay, you can use in here event number, it's okay, fine, but list of data I want to do using in lambda. So how to do it? So you can use in what is that filter. So let's see, check. Okay, so see here. So you can here you can see. Okay, so now in this way you can check it. Okay, so this is the list of data. Here is event already you have to create it. Okay, those you have to here function you have to create. Okay, then to do this list is event already, that logic already do it. Na? You can just filter out this list of data. You can this function already do the if condition. Filter what to do? Filter out this data, read the data, filter out. I'm passing in list, this list of data. Then let's see, check L1, what is the data? You can see it's a filter out. I hope you understand me or not. Yeah, any doubt? This list of data, I want to do the operation is even, which one is even, filter out those data will be print out. So how to read? You didn't read. Okay, filter what to do, those kind for loop what to do, they are doing in this thing and filter out. So if I'm using in here filter, list, filter is even, what to do, the check the even number, all are printing. Any doubt?
Is even is a keyword, is it?
No, it's a function name. Here I'm writing the function.
Okay.
With this function already logic is here. I'm just passing in here this list of data, then filter. Because here I'm not reading the for loop, here not possible to use lambda. So I'm using filter. Filter what to do? Just read the data. Okay. Any doubt?
Okay, can you show me filter function, easy one function? Can you show me easy one function, sir?
Is even function. Okay, let's see, check.
There is argument x, right? So
yeah,
where is argument x here?
Argument is here. I'm passing L. Here you can see L.
So argument is okay. We are not passing argument inside the braces. So we are passing the argument after comma.
Yeah, after comma I'm passing it some multiple data, na? So in this way, list of data will be, they are reading that data, because here is one data I'm passing, but list of data I'm here passing right now, this function through, because it's a one of the data. But filter what to do? This read this data first, one by one, Is even what to do? Filter out which one is even. I hope you understand. And
Yeah, and that will be added to the list.
yes, that will be. I'll be adding this list L1.
Okay,
I'm just
if you don't put that list keyword, what will happen? Just remove that list keyword.
okay. Let's
Yeah.
see. Check. Then how to it
L1
will
is
be
equal
not.
to, yeah. Okay. Remove the one more brace in the end. Yeah. Yeah, remove that. Yeah. Just run it.
So you are not assigning any kind of list or tuple format. You want data. You can see. Suppose I'll be mentioning tuple. Let's see. Check. So tuple format is data after filtration. Which format? Because it's a list of data. Na? You are not assigning means which format output you need. Then it will be means what is this format object format comes. Okay. Suppose list format data I want because I'm doing in operation in list data. Na? You just try to understand. This is the list of data I'm doing the operation. So I'm returning in list of data. Okay. One tuple of data, then returning a tuple. So just before that you can mention. So which format you want. Correct. Yeah, any doubt?
Yeah, got it.
So your
So
end
just
yeah, tell me.
just one doubt, like on that line number 128, why you are writing in that the list 0, 10, 20? We can remove it, right? No, even if you
Yeah,
remove it, it
it's
will.
a comment it. Okay. I'm just printing in this variable. That's it. You understand? No? Just commenting it that data, just printing this L1 I am taking variable, then operation I'll be start.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
If there are multiple arguments for the filter is even function, we can pass one more also. Is even comma L comma M like that.
No. You can doing in only one data na here. You cannot pass in multiple. Correct. So, but thing is that question how to using without lambda. It's using in this filter. Filter will be working like that. But how to lambda will be work? You can try to understand. This is the example. One line code. Okay. So in this way you can using this function. Then you can this list of data. You can doing this way. You can using in filter lambda. Okay. So now I'll be doing this thing is one line. This is the list of data. Okay, let's see list of data is this one already available. Okay. So now is I'm doing in one line. You can see list filter lambda x because here I will be doing in this function using this filter lambda, but same thing filter what to do as a like for loop. It's a working lambda what to do here argument x then x percentile 2 then equal to 0 then pass in this list of data l data.
Uh,
L,
so
yeah.
I just have a doubt. So what is the why we differentiate between the filter and the normal lambda function? In what terms we choose between two?
No, I'm lambda specially using it for loop for proposal. Here you cannot use in for loop because list of data you want to once read the data then you can put the condition this condition. It's
Yeah.
not possible for loop. So here I'm using without lambda. How to I'll be means differentiate the event data. You only using in filter as a like for loop. Okay. That function I am using here. I'm function is logic here. I am putting checking that it's a once suppose pass 5 or 6 that will be check true or false. It's a event. So same logic here. I'm passing in here filter what to do. That particular now I'm this function already written means I'm implemented this function in here list of data and tuple of data. So then I'm using in only the filter. Normally I have used not using in lambda. Okay, but lambda especially I'm using in lambda with filter and list. Okay, then you can see lambda here is filter. I'm using filter what to do. They are one by one read the data here 0 5 10 like that it will be read like that for loop. Here I'm passing that argument here, then expression here, x percentage 20, then that list of data. Filter just normally I have using without lambda, just this thing solve it using filter. Then after that filter, same thing will be working. Use the, I'm not using it now, is even function. Is even what to do? Same logic will be do this logic. This logic I am writing in one line here. Lambda using in this same function I am using in lambda, but filter what to do like that for loop. This logic will be do, but who will be read the data one by one? This list data, this filter one by one read, then this logic will be filter out, then get the result list format. Any doubt? You will be practice then.
Basically, we are running the for loop, right, inside the filter.
Yes,
From the list, it takes a variable every time.
Yes,
and lambda will apply the if condition.
Yes, correct.
That, right?
Lambda is a anonymous function itself, then whatever syntax, it's a argument, then expression. Argument only one, I'm passing the data, then here is expression filter out, x percentage 2 equal to 0, that will be even number. So then filter what to do, this condition will be implemented in here, this condition filter what to do, one by one check. करेक्ट. मेरा कहने का मतलब है फिल्टर
Yes.
जो है उसका काम क्या करता है, वो हम यहाँ पे फॉर लूप तो नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. फॉर लूप यहाँ पे नहीं कंसिडर कैसे करेंगे, ठीक है. लैम्बडा जो यूज करेगा वो किसको यूज करेगा, वो फिल्टर को यूज कर. फिल्टर क्या करता है, एक बाय एक करके वो रीड करता है एंड तक. तो मैं फिल्टर को यूज कर दिया, मैं ऑपरेशन कहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ, लिस्ट ऑफ डेटा पे, ठीक है. मैं इसमें क्या कर रहा हूँ, चेक कर रहा हूँ इवन नंबर जो होगा उसी का डाटा मुझे फिल्टर आउट करके दो इसमें से. तो वो लॉजिक के लिए मैं लैम्बडा यूज कर रहा हूँ. तो लैम्बडा एक वेरिएबल लिया, लिस्ट फॉर्मेट में मुझे डाटा चाहिए, यहाँ से डाटा करने के बाद तुम्हें टपल फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो टपल मेंशन कर देना. तो फिल्टर क्या करेगा, फॉर लूप जैसा काम करेगा, रीड करता है. तो उसके बाद आप आइदर इसको नॉर्मली यूज कर सकते हो इस तरह से इज इवन फंक्शन को, या मैं डिफरेंशिएट कर रहा हूँ ना. नॉर्मल फंक्शन ये जो हो गया डेप के थ्रू, ये हो गया लैम्बडा तो आई एम यूजिंग, मैं अभी यूज कर रहा हूँ लैम्बडा, ये जो फिल्टर आउट.
Can you show me that function one more time, please? Is even function. The true false. Okay. Come down. Just a lambda function के सामने एक not symbol लगाओ. Can you keep the not symbol?
कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे,
Not, no, in lambda से पहले.
यहाँ पे
पूरा lambda. Yeah.
not,
Yeah, not. Yeah.
no, it's a filter.
ये पूरा ब्रैकेट में डाल दो. लैम्डा वाला पूरा ब्रैकेट में डाल दो. No, up to zero. No. Yeah, up to 0. Yeah, ब्रैकेट में डाल दो. आप चलाओ. Boolean object is not callable.
Yes, not callable. करेक्ट. ये बुलियंस यहाँ पे सिंटैक्स जो बोलता है वही है, ठीक है. सिंटैक्स तो मैं बताया.
नहीं, बेसिकली ये ट्रू है ना, इधर ये ट्रू है, हम उसको फॉल्स कर रहे हैं. बेसिकली आई वांट टू प्रिंट द
तो वो ओके,
not even number.
Okay, then why will be here put? You need in, you check in odd number, here you can put it na x
No, I
percentage.
don't want to do this. I want to do some operation. Basically what it is doing is फिल्टर के बाद जो पहले वेरिएबल है उसमें जब ट्रू होता है तो ये रिटर्न कर रहे हैं ना.
नहीं यहाँ पे से देखो वही होगा. अभी देखो
नहीं, ये समझ में आया.
ओके, एक पैरामीटर तो है, कहाँ पे मिस किया हूँ क्या. अभी तो हो गया ना. Two argument, but one argument. Okay, got it. Here you can see. Correct. So now here you can see different data is coming. Previously what coming? Here you can put it in logic expression. I am putting in not equal. ओके
दैट इज ओके। सो बेसिकली जो फिल्टर के बाद जो फर्स्ट आर्गुमेंट जब ट्रू होता है, then it will return then it will take
फिल्टर
out that value.
फिल्टर कुछ नहीं करता है, वो फिल्टर का काम है कि यहाँ से आप फॉर लूप जो लॉजिक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेगा, हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, इसमें से जो ऑड होगा या इवन होगा, हमारा लॉजिक जो है वो फिल्टर आउट करके इसमें से डेटा देगा हम, ये हमारा कंसर्न है। लेकिन फॉर लूप
Yeah.
पहले पहले रीड करेगा तभी तो देगा ना। फिल्टर क्या करता है, पहले ये लिस्ट जो है लिस्ट फॉर्मेट में हमें डेटा चाहिए, फिल्टर क्या करता है, ये रीड करता है एक बाय एक करके, एक एक करके यहाँ तक। लामड़ा क्या करता है, लॉजिक पुट करता है, एक को चेक करता है ये ऑड या इवन है, तो ये फिर से फिर फिल्टर एक को जाएगा, ये चेक करेगा, ये जो एक्सप्रेशन चेक करेगा ये ऑड है या इवन है, फिर इसको जाएगा, इसको चेक करेगा ऑड है इवन है, जो होगा कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा उसको लाके यहाँ पे एक लिस्ट फॉर्मेट में डेटा को स्टोर करा, ये
हाँ, जो
टपल हुआ।
वही है, जो लैम्डा फंक्शन जब ट्रू रिटर्न करेगा तब वो वैल्यू लिस्ट को असाइन हो
हाँ
जाएगा।
हाँ, वही तो यहाँ पे लॉजिक तो वही डाले है ना हमारा, समझ में आया।
नो नो, समझ गया मैं। माय इंटेंशन आई वाज ट्राइंग इज बेसिकली उसको फिल्टर का फर्स्ट आर्गुमेंट में उसको चाहिए एक ट्रू और फॉल्स, राइट? व्हेन इट फाइंड्स अ ट्रू,
करेक्ट,
व्हेन इट फाइंड्स अ ट्रू इट विल रिटर्न दैट वैल्यू।
यस ट्रू,
सो
करेक्ट।
मैं पहले वो सोच रहा था कि इज इक्वल टू 0 लगा के उसको अगर नॉट कर दिया तो 8 नंबर्स हो जाएगा ना।
हाँ नॉट लगाया यहाँ पे ऑड हो गया, लेकिन नॉट ऐसे ऑपरेटर नहीं, सिंटैक्स जो है यही है ना। सिंटैक्स जो है यहाँ पे क्या है, सिंटैक्स यहाँ पे देखो, सिंटैक्स में बताया ना, ये जो मेन सिंटैक्स यही है ना, लैम्डा आर्गुमेंट लिस्ट एक्सप्रेशन।
दैट
एक्सप्रेशन
इज ट्रू, बट पूरा लैम्डा मैं इसको टच नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जो लैम्डा रिटर्न करेगा उसको रिवर्स कर रहा हूँ मैं।
ये वाला रिटर्न जो कर रहा है लैम्डा, पूरा फंक्शन को लेके।
पूरा लैम्डा जो रिटर्न कर रहा है उसको
ठीक है,
रिवर्स कर रहा हूँ मैं।
देखें ना, देखते हैं एल्स करके मैं यहाँ पे डालता
नहीं
हूँ।
नहीं, मैं एल्स नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, मैं एल्स एल्स का ओके। इसी को नॉट लगा, नॉट का सिंबल क्या है, इनवोटी है, नॉट है, ओके।
यहाँ पे ना
इसको क्लोज
देखो,
कर दो।
ये यहाँ पे लगा है ना ऑपरेटर, इसको मैं इक्वल टू
नहीं,
इक्वल टू
इसको इक्वल कर दो, इसको इक्वल कर दो।
इक्वल टू कर दिया, ठीक है।
ओके, और इसको लैम्डा के सामने एक नॉट सिंबल लगाओ।
यहाँ पे
लैम्डा के, हाँ हाँ, नहीं ब्रैकेट के
नहीं,
अंदर, या
ये तो
नहीं नहीं, नॉट
देखो,
सिंबल।
ये नहीं होगा। आज को सिंटैक्स आप नहीं यूज कर सकते ऑपरेटर
डालो,
यहाँ।
नॉट सिंबल डाल दो, नॉट सिंबल डाल दो।
अभी यहीं पे डालूं,
हाँ हाँ,
ओके।
सिंबल सिंबल, ये तो फेल हो गया था ना लास्ट टाइम, हम देखे थे, अलो नहीं कर रहा था।
ओके लेट्स सी चेक, ये तो
सिम,
जो
सिम,
ये है सिंबल ना, नॉट इक्वल टू,
अच्छा वो अलो नहीं कर रहा है।
नहीं वो अलाउ नहीं करेगा क्योंकि सिंटैक्स के खिलाफ हो रहा है ना ये। सिंटैक्स जो है वो खिलाफ उसका रूल के खिलाफ जा रहा है, ठीक है। तो ये जो है आप यहीं से जो भी हमें ऑड इवन चाहिए तो यहाँ पे ऑपरेटर यूज कर सकते हैं ना, जो भी है एक्स
ओके ओके,
परसेंटेज। तो मेरे को चेक करना है इसके अंदर वैल्यू है कि नहीं, इसमें क्या करना है,
वो समझ गया, वो समझ गया।
एक्स
आई वाज
एक्स
एक्सप्लोरिंग।
इन एक्स इन एल, देन एल, समझ में आया, जो वैल्यू पास करेंगे इसका अंदर है या नहीं।
ओके,
ये पूरा का पूरा रीड कर रहा है, वो कंडीशन के लिए मैप यूज करना। फिल्टर क्या करेगा, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक डेटा को रीड करके फिल्टर करके डेटा दे देता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे लॉजिक तुम्हें लिखना है। तो एक काम करते हैं, ये फिल्टर वाला सीन ये है, ठीक है। हम जाते हैं अभी मैप, ठीक है, मैप वाला खत्म करते हैं, देन रिड्यूस, उसके बाद चले जाते हैं, एक मिनट। तो ये लैम्डा वाला हो गया। मैप जो है, एवरी एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट इन गिवन सीक्वेंस अप्लाई सम फंक्शनैलिटी एंड जनरेट न्यू एलिमेंट विद द रिक्वायर्ड मॉडिफिकेशन, ये डेफिनेशन है। फॉर द रिक्वायरमेंट वी शुड गो फॉर द मैप फंक्शन। Every element present in given sequence apply some functionality and generate new elements. For with the required modification for these elements, you can go for the map function. Okay, so map function syntax you can see function and sequence. Filter like here syntax. Okay, filter you can see filter function that sequence. ठीक है, where function argument is responsible perform conditional check. Okay, sequence of list या tuple या string, ठीक है। ये हो गया। उसके बाद मैप फंक्शन जो है मैं विदाउट लैम्बडा यूज करूंगा एक, मैं उसको यूज करूंगा क्या, विथ लैम्बडा। ओके, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग, इट विल टेक टाइम। ओके, सेम एग्जांपल आई शो you practically. You can see here. मैप क्या करता है ना, मुझे चाहिए सपोज यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, मुझे ये डेटा जो है, मुझे ऑपरेशन क्या करना है, इसमें से मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू टू टू। ठीक है, जो भी डेटा मुझे चाहिए, टू यहाँ पे फोर या थ्री, वो क्या करता है मैप, विदाउट लैम्बडा में यूज कर रहा हूँ, नॉर्मल फंक्शन डिफाइन डबल इट। ओके, देन एक्स जो भी पास करेगा वो मल्टीप्लाई करके आएगा। देन ये वाला फंक्शन हो गया, क्रिएट हो गया, वो मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, इसको हम यूज करेंगे कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे। ये जो है मैप, नॉर्मली हम मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ ये फंक्शन को लेके मैप। तो इसमें वो फिल्टर आउट करके आपको देगा। ठीक है, इट्स अ फिल्टर आउट देन गिव द रिजल्ट, करेक्ट। So now it's a map, it will be doing like that, correct. So now I am commenting this thing, correct. So now I'm using in lambda, so like that, 1 minute. See, now lambda I am using in map, then what to do, previously what, condition with filter out only 1 2 3 4 5 in filter, then some after condition check some data is 1 2 3 either 4 5 like that is coming, but here it's a written in end to end map. Sorry, filter is like that, work is if condition. I forget it. Okay, filter what to do, read the data, then do like that. But map, you can see for loop, it's only read the data end to end. So then do some kind of operation like here all elements you do kind of means operation mathematically or whatever, then you can go for the math, it will be written whole data. But filter, after condition then some data filter out, but map it will be only read, here is for loop. Sorry, I'm told you it's like working as a for loop. The filter it will work as a if condition, but map it will be work as a for loop. So now you can try to, normally I have used this list of data. Yeah, sorry, this function x multiplied, then map double it, then get the result. So with lambda, you can see this is the list of data. I want to multiply it in 2 2 2 2, then get the result 2, here 4, here 6, here 8, here is 10. So like that, this is the logic list, and I'll be remove it. You can see this is the logic x, then multiplied into map. What to do? It will be read like that for loop. Then the result, this logic will be add. Then map will be one by one. It will be multiplied. So you can see here. Where is one can find out where is line number 140. See. So any doubt? You can see filter out. Sorry, map means sorry. So Vijay sir, आई
Yeah, yeah,
होप अंडरस्टैंड ना। सो आप
yeah.
समझिए, मैं गलत बोला, जो फिल्टर है वो इफ कंडीशन काम करता है, जो ये जो है ना लैम्बडा, ये जो मैप है वो रीड करता है। देखो रिजल्ट जब भी करेगा, तुमको रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, कुछ ऐड करना है इसमें से ऑल वैल्यू में, तब भी वो आपको मैप यूज करना है। मैं अभी
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा हूँ ऑपरेशन, मैं सब में मल्टीप्लाई करके वही रिजल्ट सबका लाना चाहता हूँ। जब भी मेरे को यहाँ पे देखो लिस्ट में मैं सबको रीड किया फिल्टर के थ्रू इफ कंडीशन, ये रीड किया, लेकिन रिजल्ट क्या आया, जो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हुआ है वो वाला आया। लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मैप में, मैं मैप में रीड किया जो मुझे चाहिए रिजल्ट सबका, तभी मैं मुझे मैप यूज करना है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड।
Yeah.
सिंधु मैडम, अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir. Yes.
यस। तो ये वाला कंसेप्ट समझो, मैप जो है वो इफ सॉरी फॉर लूप काम करता है। फिल्टर जो है, जब भी तुम्हें लिस्ट ऑफ डाटा या टपुल ऑफ, उसमें से फिल्टर करके सम डेटा, कुछ लास्ट को मुझे चाहिए रिजल्ट, उसमें से तीन चार, वो केस में आपको याद रखना फिल्टर यूज करना है। मैप जो है पूरा पूरा का पूरा, मैं अभी रिजल्ट रिटर्न क्या कर रहा हूँ, पूरा का पूरा लिस्ट कर रहा हूँ ना, लेकिन उसमें से सब फंक्शनैलिटी ऐड किया, मल्टीप्लीकेशन टू फोर ऐड किया। तो इस तरह की जो लॉजिक आएगा आप याद रखना, मैप हमें यूज करना है, करेक्ट। सो आफ्टर
I think
दैट,
yeah, filter भी use कर सकते हैं ऐसा, instead of putting the check right there, you can
ओके,
just make a success check always.
नो एक्चुअली फिल्टर क्या करेगा, अभी मैं फिल्टर यहीं पे यूज करूंगा, ठीक है। वो
Okay, इसे यही use करो, okay, filter.
देखो, एक यू कैन सी, यू कैन चेक,
Okay,
मिनट, करेक्ट।
okay, run करो
हाँ,
इसको, वही
वो
बोल रहा हूँ, देखो
वो क्या
सब
क्या,
आ गए ना।
नहीं वो फिल्टर क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया क्या, ये जो मेरे को ये लॉजिक चाहिए ना, मल्टीप्लाई होके ये आना चाहिए ना।
अच्छा, उसके अंदर जो है वही रिटर्न करेगा।
हाँ, उसके अंदर जो है वो फिल्टर का काम है, वो क्या करेगा, पूरा का पूरा रीड
ओके
करके
ओके
कुछ
ओके ओके,
कंडीशन, वो लेकिन ये कंडीशन तो वो अप्लाई नहीं किया ना, मैं मल्टीप्लाई किया, वो नहीं किया। मैप करता है, अब तो क्लियरिटी आया ना थोड़ा सा।
yeah. Now I understood.
मैप
Map is
जो,
something you wanted to perform operation on that.
यस
Filter is
यस,
just you wanted to get some element out of that.
यस यस, करेक्ट। सो व्हाई विल बी,
Okay.
या यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन नाउ मैप आई एम
Yeah.
यूजिंग, ये पूरा का पूरा कुछ ऑपरेशन के साथ डेटा आया, लेकिन प्रीवियसली
Hmm.
फिल्टर हम वही यूज किए, वो कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ काम नहीं किया। तो
Hmm.
फिल्टर कब काम
Got
करेगा, वो जब जब कंडीशन उस टाइप का होगा, कुछ डेटा मुझे ऑड इवन चेक करना है, उसमें से फिल्टर करके डेटा लाना है, तभी फिल्टर यूज कर, ये बात याद रखना, बस हो गया
Yeah.
मीन्स,
Yeah.
ठीक है।
Got
करेक्ट, ये मैप
it.
फिल्टर आप अंडरस्टैंड हो गए। जब भी और एक सिनेरियो क्या आता है, रिड्यूस, रिड्यूस में क्या करना है हमको, ये जो नोट पैड में मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, मेरे को ये वाला ऑपरेशन करना है। सपोज लिस्ट ऑफ डेटा है वन, suppose here list of data like यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 लाइक दैट, सॉरी 5 6 7, ठीक है। ये डेटा है, मुझे क्या करना है, ये ऑपरेशन करना है। क्या करना है, 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 प्लस लाइक दैट, इसका सॉम मुझे निकालना है। ओनली वन डेटा रिटर्न हमको निकलवाना है। इसका क्या रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं ना, इसका हम इसका
Mhm.
प्लस करके डेटा जो निकलवाना है, वो केस में आपको रिड्यूस यूज करना है। फिल्टर कहाँ पे यूज करना है, समझ में आया? फिल्टर जो है, ये जो डेटा है लिस्ट ऑफ डाटा, उसमें से कंडीशन बेस 3 4 डाटा रिटर्न करना, जो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई। मैप क्या करेगा, पूरा का पूरा डाटा रिटर्न करेगा, उसके साथ जो भी लॉजिक यूज करना है करो, लेकिन पूरा डाटा रिटर्न करेगा। लेकिन इसमें क्या होगा, 5, ये रिड्यूस में, तो ये जो है 6 है, ये इसका सम निकाल के देगा, ठीक है। यहाँ पे सम तो यूज नहीं कर सकते हो ना लैम्ब्डा में,
Yeah.
तो इसमें क्या
Yeah.
करोगे, रिड्यूस, ये वाला कंसेप्ट के लिए आपको रिड्यूस करना है। रिड्यूस आप डायरेक्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, रिड्यूस के लिए आपको एक चीज करना पड़ेगा। क्या करना पड़ेगा, रिड्यूस द, देखो एलिमेंट्स इन सिंगल एलिमेंट्स, reduce function reduce the sequence of element in single element, apply the specific function, ठीक है। reduce function is present where func tool modules, where you can use in filter and map directly, but you cannot use in reduce in directly. So you can first, you can import, what is that, this module, okay. So now I am using in this, then suppose this data I want to do like that result, then you can see. So now you can see reduce, now I'm list of data, I want to the result x y I'm pass, then x plus y, this list of data reduce data result you want to see, Then you can see. One minute. We also know that item we cannot import. Okay. Control X. Importing here. Let's check on and to import. Not import item getter from the operator. Let's check 1 minute. Operator.py will be doing Python form py. So why will be not? I'll be check. Okay. One minute. I'll check. I do have file name operator.py. See current directory. Yes, operator.py. Okay, rename it. Okay. So that's the reason. Current directory operator. Okay, 1 minute. Python. So I'll be rename. Okay. Let's check. Yes. So because they are operator, it's taking in the means that particular same. Hello. Hello, Vijay.
Yeah.
So you got it, na point. Why will be coming this operator because same path operator they are using, na same thing they're conflicting. Okay. So now I'm rename it that operator.
No, I didn't get you. I didn't get the error. What was error?
Error you can see same path operator.py. Okay. So operator cannot import the item getter like that operator. Okay. Same that path. Okay. So they just modified it. Okay. OPRT. Okay. So now you can see here I'll be suppose comment you cannot use in reduce. Okay. You can see you cannot use in reduce. So once you can import this thing func tool, func module, import reduce, then you can use in this lambda reduce. So same thing you can see here. Another example here I'll be taking like that multiplication. Okay.
Can you print y, sir, here? Can you print instead of result, print y?
Print y.
Yep, in the below. Yeah, that's okay. In line number 160, just say print y.
Here.
Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. Or one more line. Yeah, anything is fine. Yeah.
What print? Y.
Yeah, y. Yeah. Yeah, run.
Run.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
What print? Y. So how it's a variable is result, no? You are storing everything, your of whatever logic.
But inside lambda function, we are assigning y, right? Continuously open.
It's a syntax. It's x, y as per your requirement. Now you want multiply two
Okay,
parameters.
here lambda x means from that list, x
Yes,
is
yes.
every variable.
No,
X is like
no,
10,
no,
20,
no.
30, 40.
I'll
For
tell
every
you.
x.
I'll tell you now. Now you just imagine this x, y. Okay, concept. How to do it? X, this is the y. Correct. They are plot it. Okay. Plot it. Whatever data in this value is considered as x. Then this y. Then this data will be plus. Okay. You understand now? Suppose 10, 20. Now x and y. Correct. Then it will be plus it. Okay. Plus it. Then it will be result is 30. 30 is now result is x. Then plus y. Y is now 30. Correct. Correct, Yana.
Yeah.
Then after that, this 30, 30 is 60. 60 is right now x. Then y is 40.
Yeah.
In this way, it will be doing. Here also same thing. X and y like that it will be working. Correct.
Okay, sure.
X and y, it multiply, it will be considered as x, then again multiplied in here. Then like that it will be doing in internal. It's coming in one, two. Internally, how to do it? You got it, no? Okay. So like that, you can range function also you can using. You can do it the lambda. Okay. So now another example I'll repeat it. Then you can understand. So now I'll be comment. So now I'm using in 1 to 101. Okay. You can see this result. So I hope you understand those things. I think completed most function and lambda function. This is the most important. The next class maybe file, how to create in package and module. Okay, then go for the class concept. So any question, Vijay?
No question. For here in this example, x y means x is like 1, y is 2, like that, right?
Yes, like that. It will be working in internally. Now you can see range what to do. It's a generate. Now I am taking in this data. Range will be 1 to 100. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this way, okay. Nothing is okay. So I'll be wind up. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, Vijay. Okay, thank you.
Right. Bye.